How to repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered how to repost a post on Instagram, whether you want to share it to your story or your profile, well, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you have opened the app, simply find the post that you want to repost. And now, to share a post to your Instagram story, simply tap on the paper airplane icon right below the post, and you will see an option to add to your story. Simply tap on it. And from here, you can customize your story. You can add stickers, music, polls, and even question to make it more interactive. And once you're happy with it, just tap on your story button to post it. And if you want to repost a post directly to your profile, Instagram doesn't offer a built-in feature like Facebook does. However, here is a simple workaround. So first, take a screenshot of the post that you want to share, and you can crop it immediately or later if needed. And once you have captured the image, head over to the Instagram and simply tap on the plus button at the bottom to create a new post. And now choose the screenshot from your gallery and then tap on next in the top right corner. Now you can add filters, edit the image or make any other adjustment. And when you are done with it, you can again tap on the next button. And now to give a proper credit, make sure to tag the original owner of the post in the caption or directly on the image because this helps acknowledge the creator and ensure transparency. And finally, tap share in the top right corner and your repost will be live on your profile. And that's it. That's how you can repost a post on Instagram, whether to your story or your profile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.